Okay, so let's start our class with English literature, and poem number 1 is a house and a home. Okay, a house, a home. This poem is given on the page number 15, so you have to see it with your textbook. Okay, and move on page number 15. A house, a home. This poem is written by Lauren and Khalil. Okay, Lauren and Khalil. So let's understand about poetess Lauren. So here in this poem, Lauren Halley is an American poetess. Okay, she born on December 8, 1921. Okay, so she is poetess from America. Okay, Lauren. Lauren is American poetess, and she born on 1821. Her writing style is simple yet thought provoking. Provoking का मतलब होता है हमें सोचने के लिए मजबूर करे, ऐसा एक स्टाइल लिखने का, है ना। जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक पोयम है, देखो, यू कैन सी अ टाइटल ऑफ द पोम, अ हाउस एंड अ होम, a house, a home. So you have to think that what is the difference between these two words? What is the difference between house and home? So it is the provoking style of poetess that we have to think about it. What is the difference between these two words? Because these two words is looking similar, house and home. This is the similar words, है ना हर्षवर्धन? दोनों एक दूसरे के similar word है. But it is the provoking style. That means we have to think about it. What is the difference between two words? That's why the poem title is given here, a house, a home. So here Lauren style is provoking style of writing. In this poem, she aimed to make clear distance between or clear distinction between the house or home. So here she wants to clear, she wants to clear between the difference between these two words, house and home. Okay, so you can see here. Let's understand by this poem that what is house and what is home. Okay, so let's read this poem. What is different between house and home? Discuss it with your partner, then read the poem. So can you tell me, Harshvardhan, what is house and what is home? Can you tell the difference between these two words? What is your thoughts? What are you thinking about house and home? हाउस क्या होता है, होम क्या होता है? दोनों एक दूसरे के सिमिलर वर्ड्स है ना, फिर भी दोनों में कुछ तो डिफरेंस है. दैट्स व्हाई द टॉपिक इज गिवन हियर, अ हाउस, अ होम. नहीं तो एक ही वर्ड लिख लेते ना, खाली अ हाउस, या फिर ऐसा लिख देते अ होम. बट टू वर्ड्स इज गिवन हियर इन द टाइटल. दैट मींस सम डिफरेंस इज देयर, है ना. सो कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंट? बोलो अर्षद.
It brick and stone and wood that had some window glass and perhaps a yard, its eaves and chimneys and tile floor.
पढ़ना नहीं है पोएम को, रीड नहीं करना है. मैंने आपको पूछा कि हाउस और होम में डिफरेंट क्या है, ये दोनों वर्ड्स में क्या डिफरेंस है. नो नीड, आपको रीड नहीं करना है. What is house? So here house का आपको मीनिंग दिया है. House means that is made out of bricks and all. House जो होता है वो ईंटों से बना हुआ एक मकान होता है ना, जो ब्रिक से बनता है, ऐसा एक मकान है. So simply we can identify the word house is मकान, जिसमें जो खाली घर है, खाली हाउस है, मकान है. And the another word is there, home. So home is there. Home is the word that all family members are living. है ना, जहाँ पे सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स भी रहते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं होम. सो हियर डिफरेंस इज क्लियर. House is the building, one kind of building which are made out of stone and bricks. And what is home? Home is the place where all family members are living with each other. So this is the difference between home and house. Okay, house means only building. It's a provoking style. That means हमें सोचने के लिए मजबूर करता है कि हाउस क्या होता है, तो वो खाली बिल्डिंग है. एंड व्हाट इज होम? तो होम इज one type of place where all family members are living with each other with care and love. It's called home. So let's read the poem. What is a house? It's a brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. Its eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brother and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Okay, so this poem is written by Lauren M. Harry. Okay, this is the poetess, American poetess है, जिसका बर्थ हुआ था 8 दिसंबर 1821. ओके, सो यहाँ पे पोएटिस ने हमें क्लियरली मीनिंग दिया है हाउस और होम का कि क्या डिफरेंट है दोनों में. ओके, तो here in the first stanza we can understand by the stanzas the definition of house. It's brick and stone. क्या house क्या होता है? That made out of brick and stone. It's wood that hard, and sometimes wood is also used to make house. That is also hard. The hard wood is used to make house. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. ना, house has a yard, backward area, back area जो होता है, that is called yard. And one type of unit to measurement, it is also called yard. And some window glass, है ना, there are some window glass also, and perhaps a yard. Yard means unit of measurement or backward area, back area. It's eaves and chimneys. Eaves means part of roof that meets the wall of a building, है ना. तो जो corners जो मिलती है उसमें कहते हैं eaves. So you have to write down this word eaves. And tile floor means floor पे टाइल्स लगी हुई होती है, that is called house. And stucco and roof and lots of doors. In the house maybe there are many doors are there. And stucco and roof, there is a roof also. And stucco means होता है fine plaster that is used for coating. another stanza. What is a home? It is loving and family. In home, we can understand this word by family. Okay, in house there is a family, and doing for others. A family, the word is gives us the meaning that all the persons are living together, and they do everything for each other. That means love and care we can see in house. In home. It's brother and sister and fathers and mothers. Okay, in house, in home there are family members are there. All are living each other. You know, they are sharing their love each other. So we can see brother and sisters love, fathers and mothers love in a home. It's unselfish act. और how home जो है that is unselfish act. Unselfish का मतलब होता है willing to put the needs of each other. That means to fulfill each other's desires and all. एक दूसरे की इच्छाओं को एक दूसरे को अच्छे से एक दूसरे के साथ रहना. That is called unselfishness. Selfish नहीं रहते जहाँ पे एक दूसरे के लिए सब काम करते हैं. That is called unselfish act. So we can feel this feeling in home only, not in house, but we can feel this unselfishness in home only. And kindly sharing. In home, everyone would share their everything with each other. The showing your loved ones, you are always caring. You can feel the carefulness and lovingness in home, not in house. So this is the difference between house and home. House is only made out stone and bricks and all. It is only a building. There is similar words are there, house and home, but much deeper meaning is there. बहुत ही deep meaning रहा है. जो house है वो खाली मकान होता है, and home is one type of place where all family members are living with each other. So this is the difference that is shown by the poetess. So you have to write down the new words of this poem. लिख दो. Okay, now let's see the summary of this poem. A house is made of bricks and stone and hardwoods. Okay, so these we understood in first stanza that house is made of bricks and stones and hardwood. It includes glass window and very often a yard. Sometimes we can see a large area that is background area जो बोलते हैं जिसे हम yard कहते हैं. तो we can see glass window and yard also there in the house. There are a few other things also like floors and plaster walls and many doors. These kinds of things also we can see in the house. Floors is there and doors are there, windows are there. However, all these things do not really make a home. But घर बनने के लिए ये सारी चीजों की जरूरत है. मकान बनने के लिए प्लास्टर की जरूरत है, फ्लोर की जरूरत है. But when we are talking about a home, है ना, these all things are not necessary to make home, because there is a family members, love, carefulness, all the things are needful in the home. Okay, so it is loving family member which makes a real home. Okay, who make a real home? Family members makes a real home. In such a family, yes, हाँ. In such a family, people care for each other and work unselfishly, है ना? So family members are people who are care for each other and work unselfishly. Okay, so they are always help each other and always do for each other. वो हमेशा एक दूसरे के लिए काम करते हैं and always helpful to each other, and only family member make home. है ना? Home कौन बना सकता है? Only family member that make home. So these have a deeper meaning. है ना? कैसा meaning है यहाँ पे? Deep meaning you can see a home that is made of family members, and house is only one type of building. You know, there is no family members is needed over here. Only bricks and stone and wood से जो बनता है उसे कहते हैं मकान. And home is a place where all family members are living with each other. So this is the very beautiful poem that is written by Lauren, है ना? तो आपको ये poem read करनी है and you have to write down the poem in your notebook, okay? And write down the new words also.
मैम मैं इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लिख के भेज दूँ?
Yes.
ओके मैम, मैं इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेता हूँ.
Okay, Harshvardhan. So your homework is to read this poem, है ना? And to write down this poem in your English notebook. We'll meet tomorrow with new topic. Okay. Bye bye.
Yes, ma'am.